So hey you guys, so this is my new place. I'm going to be giving you guys a tour. So this is my hallway closet when you walk in, and I love the flooring and I love the crown molding. This is my kitchen. That's all my moving stuff. The dishwasher is on because I have to do my checklist to make sure everything is working. This is the sink. I love the white cabinets and the backsplash, and I'm in love with this stove. This kitchen, and with this kitchen, I actually got a breakfast nook. It's perfect for now, especially since the kids are doing e-learning. I love this. Now we're gonna go ahead and get into our washer and dryer, double doors. And it has some great storage up there. Now we are going into the kids' room. The kids' room does have carpet, and it doesn't have a light in here, so I'm gonna have to put a light. And this is the kids' closet. Huge walk-in closet. And then walking out, this is the kids' bathroom. I love the fact that that noise, you know, when it's trying to like air out everything. I like the fact that when you turn the lights on, it does not come on. This is the storage. I'm gonna see something about this. I'm gonna write this on my list because that's not where it's at. Storage space. I love the granite countertop. Like, this is so dope. And I love this mirror. So we're giving good big tub vibes, spacious bathroom. Now we're gonna go ahead and get into our island. This island is super huge, and I'm actually so glad it came like this because the one that she's shown us, it was actually smaller. And this is on the first level because my kids make a lot of noise. Dining room, but I doubt I have a dining room. So this is going to be my patio. Oh, huge patio, and it is courtyard view. Nice and peaceful. Definitely gonna do some cleaning up out here. And then my room is right there. So let's go into my room. So I like my room. They put a lot of space into this room. It's really huge. However, when they put a lot of space into the room, they put a little bit of space into the closet. At one point I was like, maybe me and the kids should switch rooms, but I would prefer to have my bathroom in my room, and they need more space than I do because it's two of them. So this is my bathroom, and then it has a separate light over there if you want to, you know, get a little cozy or whatever, do a little bubble bath. And then like I love the storage space, like so much space and renovated. This is, all their units are like this. It's not like it was a special unit, and yeah. This place does come with a lot for a really good deal. I'm super happy. I have so many ideas on how I'm gonna set this place up, and that is about it. So I want you guys to definitely stay tuned because I'm gonna be doing a lot of decor, and I'm just super excited on transforming this house, well, apartment. And I always bomb my apartments before I move in because, you know, you just want to get like all the bugs out, and I'm definitely going to sage in here as well. And my couch is on the way too, so like, see, it's a beetle right there. So let me go ahead and finish doing my checklist, and I will get back to you guys.